In this video, I'll guide you through how to gift games on Steam. Gifting a game on Steam lets you purchase a game for someone else and send it directly to their Steam account. Before you begin, it's important to know that the person you're sending the game to must already be your friend on Steam. If they aren't already on your friends list, hover over your account name at the top of Steam and click Friends. From there, you can select Add a Friend and send them a friend request. Once they've accepted your request, you'll be ready to gift them a game. Next, click on Store at the top of Steam and find the game you'd like to purchase. Open the Game Store page, then scroll down and click Add to Cart. After adding the game to your cart, click View My Cart to continue. In your shopping cart, you'll see the option to purchase the game for your own account. Click this option and change it to This is a Gift. Next, click Continue to Gift Options. On the right-hand side, select Gift Recipient. Steam will display your friends list, and you can choose the friend you'd like to send the game to. Remember, they must have accepted your friend request before they'll appear as an available recipient. After selecting your friend, you can personalize the gift by adding a short message if you'd like. You can also choose when you'd like the gift to be delivered. If you want them to receive it immediately, simply choose the earliest available delivery option. Once you're happy with everything, click Continue to Payment. Select your preferred payment method and complete the purchase. After the purchase is successful, your friend will receive a notification letting them know they've been sent a Steam gift. They can then choose to accept the gift, and once they do, the game will be added to their Steam library. And that's all there is to it. Gifting games on Steam is a simple way to surprise your friends and let them enjoy a new game directly through their Steam account.